Hubert Simmons here, and let's talk about the power of multi-time frame analysis. If you know how this works, it can be a really powerful asset to tell you about how long to hold something. So for me, if I'm looking at a daily chart on Ichimoku and it closes above the cloud on a daily chart, I make the assumption that this thing will run for an average of about 20 days. Okay, so 14 to 20 days. If on the other hand, I'm looking at a 1 hour chart, this is an hourly chart. Once this crosses above the cloud, I would say this is the most recent cross. This should continue up for the next 3 to 5 days. On the other hand, if I'm looking at a 10-minute time frame, back here was the last 10-minute time frame that went above the cloud, then this should be good for 3 to 5 hours. So if I just now had one here at the end of Thursday for American Express, AXP, well, this is telling me that the daily's up, the hourly's up, now the 10-minute is up, and this thing is probably going to continue up for the next 3 to 5 hours. Use the power of multi-time frame analysis to let you know how many days on average something might run or collapse if it's either above or below your analysis. Figure out a cheat sheet and a timesheet grid to help you so that you can increase your hold times and make a little bit more money. Good luck. Hope it helps. See you on the next video.